Number 195. 56 men can build a small building in 20 days. At this rate, how many days can 35 men build a small building? So the choices, 12 and 1/2, 25, 48, 32, and 24 days. Okay, so this problem is all about variation. But we analyze first what type of variation is this? Is this a direct or inverse variation? So let's put the numbers in a column. So we have 56 men can build a small building in 20 days. So put in column. So we have men and then days. 56 men can build a small building in 20 days. So the question is, at this rate, how many days can 35 men build a small building? So let's put 35. In men, we are looking for the number of days. So we put n. Okay? So the formula for direct variation, the formula is x sub 1 over x sub 2 equals, or x, oh sorry. So we have x sub 1 over y sub 1 equals x sub 2 over y sub 2. For inverse variation, the formula is the product x sub 1, y sub 1 equals x sub 2, y sub 2. So this is the x and then the y. So we need to analyze if this is direct variation and inverse variation. For direct variation, both the quantities men and days should be both increasing or both decreasing. And then for inverse variation, it's the opposite. One increasing and one decreasing. Okay? So what type of variation is this? So this is inverse variation because this is about work. This is about work problem. They are building a small building. So at this rate, how many days can 35 men build a small building? So if the number of men decreases from 56 to the number of men became 35, then what will be the effect to the number of days they building the same building? Then the number of days will increase. So therefore, we will use the formula for the inverse variation. The formula is we just multiply the two pairs men and days. So multiply 56 and 20 and then equate that to the product of 35 and n and then solve for n. Okay, so we have 56 times 20 equals 35 times n and then solve for n. So to solve for n, just divide both sides by 35. Okay? So we will divide first to simplify. So 56 and 35, we can divide both by 7. Divide both by 7. 56 divided by 7, that is 8. 35 divided by 7, that is equal to 5. Now we can divide 20 and 5. 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. So multiply 8 times 4, that is equal to 32. So therefore, it will take 32 days for the 35 men to build a small building. So the answer is letter D, 32. Follow for more. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.